Grace, you may sit here.
그녀의 이름은 그레이스. 그녀는 15년 전 살인 혐의로 사형을 선고받은 여자입니다. 하지만 자신은 그런 기억이 없다고 주장하죠. 정신과 박사 조던은 그녀에게 체면을 걸어 그녀의 숨겨진 기억을 찾아내려 합니다.
Now, this is a completely scientific procedure.
이 남자의 이름은 제롬 디퐁. 체면술사입니다. 본명은 제러마이어이죠.
Jeremiah.
그와 그녀는 15년 전 살인 사건이 일어나기 전부터 알고 있던 사이입니다.
I'm going to be a hypnotist. There's a real appetite for it now more than ever.
Wouldn't that be a deception and a cheat?
Oh, no more than the theater. If people wish to believe a thing, if they long for it and depend on it to be true, is it cheating to help them to their own belief? Or is it not rather a charity? A human kindness?
여러분은 제러마이어의 말에 동의하시나요?
There are sharp rocks ahead. A disaster. You will cross water 3 times. You will have much trouble, but all will be fine in the end. You're one of us. You're one of us.
제러마이어는 그레이스를 처음 본 날 그녀에게 이상한 예언을 했었습니다. 당신은 우리들 중 하나다. 그의 손동작을 기억하세요.
Hello, Grace.
Sarah.
그리고 15년 후 제수의 몸인 그녀의 앞에 나타난 제러마이어.
Dr. DuPont is a friend. He won't hurt you.
Jerome DuPont, medical practitioner.
갑자기 의사가 되어서 나타난 제러마이어를 보고 그레이스는 놀라고 말죠.
Grace, you were getting heavy. You cannot move. You were feeling drowsy. Very, very drowsy.
그레이스는 그렇게 체면에 빠지게 됩니다.
Your arm is an iron bar which no one can bend. I am using all of my force.
그레이스가 체면에 빠졌음을 증명하는 제러마이어.
Well, Dr. Jordan, we may now travel safely into the past. What is it exactly that you wish for me to ask her?
드디어 조던 박사의 질문이 시작됩니다. 조던 박사는 진실을 찾을 수 있을까요?
Relations. You want to know if I kissed him, if I slept with him, if I was his paramour, is that it?
Yes.
그녀의 목소리가 어딘가 평소와는 많이 다릅니다.
I had him on a string. Mr. Kinnear as well. I had the two of them dancing to my tune. After that, he'd say he'd do anything. But why?
Ask her if she was in the cellar of Mr. Kinnear's house on Friday, the 28th of July, 1843.
조던 박사는 살인이 벌어지는 순간에 현장에 있었는지 질문합니다.
Grace, the cellar.
Oh, yes, I saw her.
낸시. 그녀가 바로 그날 지하실에서 목숨을 빼앗긴 여인입니다.
Was she alive? Was she still alive?
She was partly alive or partly dead.
Did you help strangle her?
It was my kerchief that strangled her.
체면 상태에서 자신의 죄를 인정하는 그레이스.
You killed her. I always thought so. Grace, I thought better of you. All these years you've deceived us.
그레이스를 믿고 그녀의 사면을 주장하던 사람들은 크게 실망합니다.
You've deceived yourselves.
제러마이어와 짜고 자신에게 유리하게 연기를 할 거라 생각했는데 의외의 결과입니다. 그녀가 의도치 않게 정말로 체면에 빠진 걸까요?
I am not Grace. I am not Grace.
응? 뭐라고?
I am not Grace.
도대체 무엇이 진실일까요? 그녀는 살인에 가담한 것일까요? 아니면 무죄일까요?
Grace knew nothing about it.
영화는 여기서 끝이 아닙니다. 이제 시작입니다. 진실을 알고 싶으시면 정신 똑바로 차리고 정주행하십시오. 넷플릭스 제작 사라 가돈 주연의 그레이스입니다. 이 영화를 제대로 이해하려면 먼저 천일야화를 알아야 합니다. 우리가 흔히 아라비안 나이트라 부르는 이야기죠. 아주 먼 옛날 페르시아에 무서운 왕이 살았습니다. 그 왕은 첫날 밤이 지나면 신부를 죽이는 무서운 왕이었죠. 모든 여인들이 왕의 신부가 되는 것을 두려워했습니다. 어느 날 이 소식을 들은 세헤라자데라는 아름답고 현명한 여인이 자진해서 왕의 신부가 되었습니다. 현명한 세헤라자데는 매일 밤 왕에게 재미있는 이야기를 들려줍니다. 왕은 다음 이야기가 너무 궁금해서 그녀를 죽이지 못하죠. 그렇게 세헤라자데는 살기 위해 매일 밤 재미있는 이야기를 이어갑니다. 영화는 조던 박사와 그레이스의 만남으로 시작됩니다.
It's difficult for me to begin talking. I've not talked very much in the past 15 years. I don't know what you want me to say.
박사가 듣고 싶은 이야기를 하려는 그레이스.
Well, it isn't what I want you to say, but what you want to say to yourself that's of interest to me.
하지만 박사는 그녀의 내면 깊숙이 숨겨진 진실을 찾으러 온 것이죠.
Can you tell me about the quilt you were making?
그렇게 그레이스는 자신의 이야기를 시작합니다.
We left rather quickly.
Why did God saddle me with such a litter of thieving Irish scoundrels?
그녀의 가족은 아일랜드에서 캐나다로 이민을 왔습니다. 그녀의 아버지는 매우 폭력적이었죠.
I will confess to having a wicked thought. When I had the young ones all lined up in a row, I thought I might just push one or two of them over. And then there would not be so many to feed nor so many clothes to wash.
그녀는 우리에게 정말 솔직하게 이야기합니다. 캐나다로 넘어오는 배에서 그녀의 어머니는 세상을 떠나고 맙니다.
There, there. There, there. Oh, do not open the window to let the soul out.
그녀는 폭력적인 아버지를 견디지 못하고 집을 떠납니다.
I told them I would come back for them. And at the time I meant it.
하지만 동생들과의 약속은 지키지 못하죠.
Our landlady secured me employment at a fine house in Toronto.
You may be very young and as ignorant as an egg.
이 여인이 바로 메리입니다. 그레이스의 가장 소중한 친구이자 가장 행복했던 기억이죠.
But you're bright as new penny, Grace Marks. I think we're going to get along just fine together. Who shall we marry? A J.
It is a J. It's beautiful.
It was my mother's. She gave it to me just before she died.
You mustn't part with it.
No, you are my dearest friend, and I want you to have it.
That was the happiest Christmas I'd ever spent, either before or after.
조던 박사는 그녀의 이야기에 푹 빠져듭니다. 세헤라자데의 이야기를 듣는 무서운 왕처럼 말이죠. 조던 박사가 어떤 보고서를 작성하느냐에 그레이스의 목숨이 걸려 있습니다. 그레이스의 목숨은 진실에 달려 있는 것이 아니라 웃기게도 조던 박사의 시선에 달려 있죠.
Questions are going to be this long.
Thank you, Grace.
그녀는 조던 박사가 더욱 궁금해하도록 이야기를 중간에 끊습니다. 그리고 다음날 이야기를 이어가죠.
Mary?
Sir?
Pardon me, I just wanted to introduce myself to the young lady. I'm George Parkinson.
Grace Marks, sir.
메리는 주인집 장난과 사랑에 빠지지만
Do you need to lie down?
Nonsense. It was yesterday's mutton stew, and now I'm rid of it. Do not mention it again, please.
She's dead. We will not discuss this any further, as it will only bring misery, and there's no sense crying over spilt milk.
All the time, Mary was there on the bed listening. She was hearing our plans to tell these lies about her. It was the doctor that killed her with his knife, for it is not always the one who strikes the blow that is the actual murderer. Mary was done to death by that unknown gentleman, as surely as if he'd taken the knife and plunged it into her body himself.
Where's Grace? What has happened? Where's Grace? You are Grace. You are Grace. Mary has died. No, no. She's lost. I must search for her.
Mary has died. Mary has died. You were with us and you were all right.
When I woke again, it was a day later, and I knew again that I was Grace and that Mary was dead. But I had no memory of anything I said or did during the time I was awake between the two long sleeps.
No memory at all.
No. And this worried me.
조던 박사는 점점 그레이스에게 집착하기 시작합니다.
You want to go where I can never go. See what I can never see inside me. You want to open up my body and peer inside. In your hand, you want to hold my beating female heart.
혹시 눈치채셨나요? 지금 그레이스의 대사는 조던 박사가 들으라고 하는 이야기가 아닙니다. 그레이스는 조던 박사와의 이야기를 우리에게 해주고 있는 것입니다. 이제 우리가 무서운 왕이 된 것이죠.
I want to speak to you about an account I read of Grace at the asylum. It paints her as a gibbering mad woman, shrieking like a phantom under abrupt circumstances. When Grace was sitting next to the body, she said she heard her dead friend speak to her. This hallucination was followed by an episode of fainting and hysterics, mixed with what would appear to have been somnambulism, after which there was a prolonged sleep and subsequent amnesia.
So she has a history of such lapses.
You must not jump to conclusions.
Cleanse me from its guilt and bar.
조던 박사는 이제 그녀를 생각하며 망상에 빠지기까지 합니다. 조심하세요. 영화를 정주행하다 보면 당신도 조던 박사처럼 그녀와의 망상에 빠지게 될 것입니다.
She was buried in my best night dress. And she didn't look dead in the least, but only very pale.
결국 그레이스는 메리와의 소중한 추억이 담긴 집을 떠나게 됩니다.
I'm in want of another servant to help me with the work.
이 여인을 기억하시나요? 바로 운명의 그날 지하실에서 목숨을 빼앗긴 여인입니다.
What are your wages at present?
$2 a month.
I will pay you $3 a month.
그레이스는 드디어 운명의 그날을 향해 달려갑니다.
Hello, Jamie. This is Grace Marks. Come all the way from Toronto. I found her at the inn.
Jamie lives nearby and he helps us around the farm from time to time.
Is it big, Toronto? Is it very grand? I've never been there.
이 청년의 이름은 제이미. 그의 결정적인 증언으로 그레이스는 유죄 판결을 받게 됩니다.
Jamie's testimony was the end of me.
The sentence is death by hanging.
그레이스는 사건이 벌어지고 기절했었다고 진술하지만
I must have fainted from fear, because that is all I can remember until much later in the evening.
Jamie Walsh testified that he came into the yard at about 8 o'clock, which must have been after you fainted.
제이미는 그레이스의 진술과는 전혀 다르게 증언하죠.
He said you were in good spirits. He said you were better dressed than usual and wearing white stockings.
제이미는 그레이스를 사모하고 있었습니다.
Oh, Jamie, you startled me.
Happy birthday. I saw you crying. Why are you sad, Grace? And when I'm older and have saved the money for it, we will be married.
Thank you for your offer. I'll consider it.
Here, I'll make you a daisy crown. May I give you a kiss on the cheek?
Yes, but only one.
왜 그는 사모하는 여인에게 불리한 증언을 했을까요?
On his way from town.
By then he had forgot all of his former love and sentiments towards me, and only wished to damage me and have me hanged if possible. There is nothing I can do about what other people say.
당신은 상대방이 진실을 이야기해 주길 바라시나요? 아니면 당신이 진실이라 믿는 것, 그것을 말해주길 원하시나요? 그레이스는 재미있는 이야기를 이어갑니다.
I heard her laughing. She had not given me one word of greeting.
McDermott.
이 남자의 이름은 맥더몬. 이 남자가 바로 그레이스와 살인을 저질렀다는 판결을 받고 교수형을 당한 남자입니다.
Chris Marks made me do it! She's a whore! Murderer!
Take Grace's things to her room.
Do you know the story of Susanna?
No.
She was a young lady who was falsely accused of sinning with a young man by a group of old men because she refused to commit the very same sin with them. She would have been stoned to death, but luckily she had a very clever lawyer. And he was able to prove that the old men were lying by inducing them to give contradictory evidence.
조던 박사는 진실을 밝혀야 한다는 책임감과 그녀의 이야기를 믿고 싶어하는 마음 사이에서 갈등하기 시작합니다.
And there we were in a kind of harmony. The evening was so beautiful it made a pain in my heart. It's when you cannot tell whether you're happy or sad. And I thought that if I could have a wish, it would be that nothing would ever change and we would stay that way forever.
둘의 관계에 있어서 박사는 자신이 우위에 있다고 생각했지만 그건 착각이었죠.
When you write, I feel as if you were drawing on me, drawing on my skin with the feather end of an old-fashioned goose pen. But underneath that is another feeling. A feeling of being wide-eyed awake and watchful.
박사는 아직 그녀를 전혀 파악하지 못했지만 그레이스는 이미 박사의 내면을 파악했죠.
I am just reading James McDermott's confession. This is a different story than the one you told me. What do you think of when you hear that, Grace?
I think it's bad luck to laugh at the dead. The dead don't like being laughed at.
박사의 질문이 그녀의 허를 찌르는 것이 아니라 그녀의 대답들이 박사의 허를 찌릅니다.
Today is the day I must talk about. I must tell you about what I did or didn't do. Nobody has cared about that before, sir. They told me I must be lying. They kept wanting to know more.
She could be a true amnesia. Or she could be simply guilty.
결국 아무것도 알아낸 것이 없는 조던 박사에게 체면을 제안합니다.
Perhaps we should consider Jerome DuPont's neurohypnotic.
진전이 없는 조던 박사는 거절하지 못하죠.
Dark.
Were you talking to people, trying to find out if I was guilty? You wouldn't find it out that way. You don't understand yet. The guilt comes to you not from the things you have done, but from the things others have done to you. I hide myself in thee.
그렇게 그레이스는 체면수를 받게 된 것입니다.
You are not Grace. If you are not Grace, then who are you?
Come, doctor. You like riddles. You know the answer. I told you it was my kerchief. It's beautiful.
It was my mother's. She gave it to me just before she died.
The one I gave to Grace. The one she kept with her after I...
Not Mary Whitney. Grace, stop playing tricks.
I am not Grace.
Is that really you?
You see, you're all the same. You won't listen. You don't believe me.
결국 조던 박사도 진실을 알고 싶은 게 아니라 스스로 답을 이미 정해놓고 그 답을 듣고 싶어 하죠. 그레이스가 체면에서 깨어납니다.
I must have been asleep.
Do you remember anything? Anything of what has just happened here?
No.
But if what we have witnessed is a natural phenomenon, then who are we to question
Was
it?
she really in a trance, or was she play acting and laughing up her sleeve?
조던 박사는 자신이 원하는 답을 듣지 못하자 보고서 작성을 거부합니다.
I cannot write the report you desire without perjuring myself, because the truth eludes me.
진실을 모르는 것이 아니라 자신이 생각했던 답이 아니었기에 인정할 수 없는 것이죠.
Oh, Grace eludes me.
결국 그녀는 다시 감옥에 갇히게 됩니다. 그렇게 11년의 세월이 흐르죠.
Your pardon has come through.
이 영화를 해석하는 모든 사람들이 무엇이 진실인지에만 집중합니다. 그레이스가 범인인가? 아니면 정말 메리의 영혼이 그녀의 몸에 들어간 것인가? 그녀는 무죄인가? 그녀가 범인이지만 기억 상실은 진짜인가? 그것도 아니라면 그녀는 정말 사악한 마녀인가?
You are pardoned.
당신이 무엇을 믿던 영화에는 당신의 믿음을 뒷받침해줄 근거가 있습니다. 그렇기 때문에 우리는 우리가 믿고 싶은 것을 믿을 수 있죠.
And an object of pity rather than of horror and fear. It calls for a different arrangement of the face.
우리가 듣고 싶은 이야기를 해주는 그녀. 그녀가 바로 세헤라자데입니다. 그리고 그녀를 바라보는 우리의 시선이 바로 페르시아의 무서운 왕이죠.
Has she been lying to you, you ask? Huh? Put it this way. Did Scheherazade lie? Not in her own eyes. Indeed, the stories that she told ought never to be subjected to the harsh categories of truth or falsehood.
안중근 선생님은 우리에게는 영웅이지만 범죄자라 이야기하는 사람도 있습니다. 한 정치인을 두고 누구는 범죄자라 생각하고 누구는 훌륭한 사람이라 생각하죠. 진실은 그것을 바라보는 우리의 시선, 여론에 달려 있습니다.
Grace, don't you know me? I would have known you anywhere.
Jamie Walsh.
I have been overcome with guilt for the part I played in your conviction. I was only a young lad at the time and no match for the lawyers. They led me into saying things.
You needn't feel guilty anymore.
그의 증언 때문에 30년 청춘을 감옥에서 보냈는데 그레이스는 그를 깔끔하게 용서합니다.
It's the sort of thing that could happen to anyone.
I beg you to forgive me.
You're forgiven.
제이미가 부자였기 때문에 그를 용서하고 결혼했다 이야기하는 사람도 있을 것입니다.
And as with Mr. Walsh, I may have changed some of the details of my stories to suit what I thought you wanted to hear.
당신이 그렇게 믿으신다면 그런 것이겠지요.
Could you ever forgive me?
He insists on being forgiven. And who am I to refuse him such a simple thing?
먼 옛날 페르시아에 현명하고 아름다운 세헤라자데라는 여인이 살았습니다. 흥미있게 보셨다면 구독, 좋아요 부탁드립니다. 모든 것은 제 개인적인 견해이니 재미로만 봐주세요. 정주행은 넷플릭스에서 가능합니다. 감사합니다.